Hey everyone, is your 4WD system acting up? Maybe your SUV or truck isn't shifting into four-wheel drive properly? You plug in a scanner and boom, P0836 Four-Wheel Drive switch circuit range performance pops up. This code can mess with your vehicle's traction, fuel economy, and even drivetrain safety. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0836 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where the key sensors are located to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0836? The P0836 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an incorrect signal from the four-wheel drive switch circuit. This switch tells the PCM when you're engaging or disengaging 4WD mode. Common symptoms of P0836: 4WD system not engaging or disengaging properly, service 4WD or check engine light on, grinding or clunking noises when shifting into 4WD, poor traction on slippery surfaces, and reduced fuel efficiency. To diagnose and repair P0836, check these critical components. 4WD mode selector switch. Location: on the dashboard or center console, depending on your vehicle model. Function: send signals to the PCM when shifting between modes. Transfer case shift motor. Location: mounted on the transfer case, usually underneath the vehicle. Function: engages the front and rear differentials for 4WD operation. Powertrain Control Module. Location: usually in the engine bay or near the firewall. Function: processes data from the 4WD switch and controls engagement. Wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs from the 4WD switch to the PCM and transfer case. Function: transfers electrical signals to engage and disengage 4WD. Front and rear differential sensors. Location: near the front and rear axles. Function: monitors wheel speed and traction control when 4WD is activated. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the key components to diagnose the problem. Common causes of P0836: faulty 4WD mode selector switch. A worn-out switch can send incorrect signals to the PCM. Bad transfer case shift motor. If the motor is stuck or unresponsive, 4WD won't engage properly. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded or damaged wiring can disrupt the 4WD signal. Blown fuse or relay failure. A bad fuse in the 4WD circuit can prevent the system from functioning. PCM malfunction. If the PCM is not processing signals correctly, it can trigger P0836. How to fix P0836. Step 1. Check the 4WD mode selector switch. Press the switch and see if it responds properly. Replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transfer case shift motor. Listen for engagement sounds when switching modes. If it's silent, test the motor. Step 3. Test the wiring harness and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires. Step 4. Check the fuse box and relays. A bad 4WD fuse can cut power to the system. Replace as needed. Step 5. Scan the PCM for other codes. Additional codes may indicate further electrical or sensor issues. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the code and check if the 4WD system works correctly. The P0836 code can be frustrating, but by checking the 4WD switch, transfer case shift motor, wiring, and fuses, you can fix it yourself. Watch these related videos next. P0538 AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit high and P0539 AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.